I am disappointed in you. I'll call you out later. When you have problem with COS, I was there for you. I took up your matter for my head. But now when everybody are alive, people I didn't even expect, they all landed. It's too crowned. If nobody might be on hey, you saw their platform. Okwuluora, what stop you from using your platform to even say, Ogechi, can you hold me arrest? I carried your matter for my head. I carried your matter for my issue. I bring your problem. Maybe I have a problem with a lot of people. My question have a problem with. I didn't want to say much because I have. Okay, come make a good. Okwuluora, you are not a good person. You are not a good person. Here twice. Even I am making it about me. Give me fire twice. One and 20 go say. One are cooking patangwa. You can't give my flavor. You need to. Okwuluora, you're a very bad person. You are a very bad person. You're not a good man. I'm not afraid to. What you making you do? People like him, they will come and we can you are a very bad person. But let God judge all of my kindness towards you. Even to use your even to say wait, okay, to make a call. People that matter still. You take matter call to check up on me, okay, where are you? To an extent, I never see this kind of call. I never see this kind of people were on my matter. People took it personally. Different debate. People very different debate. People just decide. We put an even day one more response on number man. One more support to IPOP. These people govern ownership and the DJ pipe or on tour.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thought on the comment section, tell us what you think. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video. Thanks.